There are lots of reasons why you might want to use GCP, and that's kind of a subset of reasons why you might want to use cloud from a business perspective. Saving costs is a large one. Costing transparency is also a large one. When you've got servers whirring away in your office basement, it's difficult to predict how much of those servers you're actually using, which ones you aren't. With GCP or any cloud provider for that instance, it's very obvious what you're using. The pay-as-you-go structure is really good for organizations that scale up and scale down quite often. The uptime and reliability, the SLAs, are really good for organizations that need to stay online, and there's a business case there. And also security. So Google employ a full-time group of amazing security engineers that ensure that your files, your applications, and your data is stored securely, safely, and is all ran just as it's meant to be ran without any security breaches or leaks.
Yeah, and as far as data is concerned, you can always choose where your data is stored. So in terms of any sorts of compliance or legalities as to like where your users live or where their data is kept, that's all completely choosable.
GCP's secret sauce, the secret superpower that GCP has over any other public cloud, is its managed services. And that means services such as BigQuery, Vertex AI, they require very, very little configuration and technical knowledge compared to Amazon's maybe Redshift or some of the Azure offerings. It's really easy to get started, and the managed services that are within GCP are really, really powerful and cost effective.
If you want to analyze some data or run some AI, you don't even need to think about any of the setup or the DevOps or the management. You can go straight into the managed services and choose the one that you want, put your data in, hit a button, and it's going.
GCP is considered a very developer-friendly cloud, which means if you've got a development team or if you've got a team that are maybe new to kind of moving to cloud, GCP is a very friendly cloud to move to. It's a fantastic first step, but it also scales all the way into, when your organization is cloud first, a digital native perhaps.
And the fact that you've got all these managed services at your disposal means that you can take your finished application, put it straight into GCP, and within a few hours or days, you've got your application fully deployed to your end users without any headaches.
For the most part, we're moving to a world where MVPs are king. You want to get a minimum viable product out the door using a cloud of choice, and Google Cloud facilitates that really, really well. With applications and services such as Cloud Run, Cloud Functions, Kubernetes engine, the compute engine, Google Cloud makes it really, really easy to just get started on a cloud. And its ease of use compounds, especially as your team grows as well. So if you're a developer and you're choosing a cloud, consider GCP because it's so easy to use from a developer's perspective, and it's just intuitive.